Hello geeks. Welcome to the channel. This time we have 60 exciting animal guessing rounds. Let's play and see how well you know the animal kingdom. Before we start, subscribe Brain Geeks for upcoming videos. Alright, let's play. First animal. Oh, it's jaguar. Next animal. Orangutan. The one and only, it's lion. Name the bird. Cockatoo. Guess the animal. Gorilla it is. Next animal. Known for the dance, it's seahorse. It's tapir. Did you know, tapir came back from extinction after 90 years? Next animal. It's shark. Known for its sleep, it's koala. Absolutely, it's toucan. Of course, it's a wolf. Guess the animal. Bingo! It's tiger. It's mouse deer. What is this animal? It's tarsier. It's leopard. Guess the bird. It's harpy eagle. Their rear talons are about 3 to 4 inches long, the same size as a grizzly bear's claws. Rhinoceros. It's polar bear. Of course, monkey. It's iguana. The movie Rango features an iguana character named Beans. Cassowary. Next animal. Known for organized hunting raids, it's an army ant. Having 3 hearts and 9 brains, it's an octopus. Arctic fox. Guess the bird. It's macaw. It's hyena. Having no vocal cords, it's giraffe. Responsible for Spider-Man movies, it's spider. Guess the animal. Oh, it's marker. Did you know that? Hummingbird. Next round. Bison. Oh, it's Bactrian camel. Next animal. Komodo dragon. It's an owl. Next round. Absolutely, it's cheetah, the fastest land animal. Ostrich. Next round. Bingo! It's hippopotamus. Next round. African elephant. Guess the animal. It's jackal. It's kiwi. Known for building dams, it's beaver. It's llama. National bird of the United States. It's bald eagle. Guess the animal. It's anteater. Next animal. Moose it is. Guess the animal. Lemur. Of course, woodpecker. Of course, dolphin. Sea turtle. Did you know? They have beaks instead of teeth. Can you name this animal? It's yak. Peregrine falcon. Alligator. Delivering gifts on Christmas Eve, it's reindeer. It's kangaroo. Guess the animal. It's capybara. Porcupine. Guess the bird. Blue jay. Can you name this animal? Walrus. Next animal. Fastest land animal in North America. It's pronghorn antelope. And last round. Oh, it's humpback whale. And that ends this quiz. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up and consider subscribing for more videos.